Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're still cooking your oatmeal every morning, then you're missing out on one of the easiest ways and cheap ways to heal your prostate. Hey, I mean, I used to eat oatmeal with a little bit of honey, cooked oatmeal, maybe 2 times a week, with a hard-boiled egg on the side, maybe some banana in the oatmeal, some berries every now and then. I mean, I thought it was healthy. But today I want to share with you my new way of making oatmeal. It's way more healthier for you and will actually help you to reduce inflammation in your body and in your prostate glands. And the bonus is, with lower levels of inflammation, obviously your body can produce more testosterone. It's very difficult for testosterone production in an inflamed environment. And at the end of the video, I'll give you the recipe. We're talking about overnight oats. These are raw oats that have been soaked in almond milk overnight. Please make your own almond milk if you can. You know, there's recipes online for that. I think I have put one out too as well. Because the supermarket has a lot of trashy almond milk, some of it has 2 to 5% almonds actually inside of it, which is nothing. You can imagine what's the rest of the ingredients. So soaking oats does a couple of things if you soak overnight. One, it reduces the phytic acid in the oats so your body can actually absorb the zinc and magnesium inside of the oatmeal. These are the minerals that your prostate craves and needs for healthy living and healing, for healthy functioning, right? Number two, the soaking, it lowers the inflammatory response that's often triggered by cooked, processed carbs. Oatmeal's a carb. So oatmeal can reduce your CRP marker. CRP stands for C-reactive protein. That's a marker of inflammation in your body, right? Anywhere there's inflammation, it could be from an infection, an injury, poor diet, chronic insulin spikes, stress, chronic disease, whatever. So oatmeal can reduce CRP markers in your body because they are rich in beta-glucans. That's a fiber, a soluble fiber that helps lower CRP and improve gut health. It can stabilize your blood sugar, oatmeal, preventing insulin-triggered inflammation. And if you prepare oatmeal the right way, no sugar, no dairy, it's a cooling food. It reduces the systemic heat in the gut and your whole pelvic region, right? It cools you down. So most men know by now, if you're on my page, you know a congested, enlarged prostate is an inflammation problem, right? Your whole body has an inflammation. So this cool, fiber-rich meal helps to lower your CRP levels, regulate blood sugar, calm the gut, all which leads to less inflammation, less dribbling, less urgency, and a better morning flow when you go to the bathroom. We all go to the bathroom in the morning, right? First thing. Well, you should. So here's a basic recipe for male vitality and overall prostate support. You take a half a cup of organic rolled oats, right? 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Make your own. You can use hemp milk, flax milk, oat milk. Teaspoon of chia seeds or ground up flax seeds. A teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. That's the zinc. A handful of blueberries or pomegranates. Throw a teaspoon of cinnamon in there. That's good for blood flow. And you can do a drizzle of honey or sea salt, whatever you prefer. Mix everything in a mason jar or some type of sealed container. Glass is better. Glass container is better. And then you want to refrigerate this. Just throw it in the fridge, 6 to 8 hours. And take it out in the morning. You can either eat it cold or you can let it come up to room temperature. Do not cook this. No cooking. I'll say it again. Do not cook this. So if you want to wake up with less pressure in your urinary system, start your day off with this instead of the sugary oatmeal sludge. Never get those instant packs. I hope you're not doing that. If you are, stop today. And do this, 1, 2, 3 times a week, and you can help to heal and soothe your prostate without having to take, popping pills all the time. Of course, you want to still stick with your salt palmetto berries and your stinging nettles. That's just the baseline right there, okay? So share this with someone who needs to hear about it. Drop a bowl emoji. There's a bowl emoji. Drop that into the comments. Let me know you want to get on this right away, and follow for more tips. Let's get healthy together.